Welcome to the calorie burning workout. What does this workout do? Exactly what the title is. You're gonna burn some calories in a little amount of time. I'm Joel and you're here with Elise. Now what you wanna do is take your hands onto your waist. You wanna make sure your feet are a little wider than shoulder distance apart. Your knees are soft and you wanna do some hip rolls. We wanna warm those hips up. We wanna get the blood flowing. And you're gonna switch directions. You got 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna start with some simple marching. All the way up. Get those knees up, loose arms, really breathe. You got 5, get those knees up a little higher now. 4, move those arms. 3, 2, and 1. Now we're gonna do some knee repeaters. You bring this foot forward, you bring your hands up like a number 11. Now you wanna lift this knee up between that number 11 and set it all the way back down. If that's easy for you, you can add a little kick there and kick it up. Let's go for 4, higher. 3, 2, 1. Good job. We're gonna switch sides. All the way over, get those hands up in number 11 and all the way in. All the way in. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Shake it all the way out and do a little stretch here. Bring your feet all the way together. You slowly walk your hands down your leg. If this feels good on your back, go a little deeper. If it feels tight, you want to just stop there. Relax your head and relax your arms and breathe. Take your hands away. Now relax your neck. You want to relax into it. Deep breaths. And you're going to gently come over to the side. Drop your forehead and switch to the other side. Really drop your head. Back to center. Soften your knees. Slowly roll it all the way up. And shake it all the way out. Now you want to go skiing? Let's go. Really soft. If you want to make it harder, just bend your knees a little bit more. Really twist those hips. Pick up the pace. A little faster. A little faster. A little faster. For 2 and 1. Great job. Open your feet up. Toes pointed straight ahead. Bring your hands into prayer. You're going to drop down. Bring your thumbs up in line with your face. And come all the way up. Drop down. And all the way up. Now if this is too easy for you, you just get a little airborne with your feet. Just jump up. For 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now hang it all the way down here and you're just gonna pulse. For 5, 4, get those hands up. 3, 2, and 1. Right away into chorus line. Put your hands on your waist and you're gonna kick this foot up and switch sides. Deep breaths, leave your chest up, hands on your waist and pull that stomach in. If you think your stomach's hanging out, you can also put your hands on your stomach. Pull that stomach all the way in. If that's easy for you, what do? You kick it up a little higher. There's always a different level. For 5, 4, 3, a little higher, 2, 2, come on, 1 and 1. Good job. Shake it all the way out. Put your feet all the way together, hand on your waist. Bring this hand all the way up and you're going to use this hand to gently press your hips this way. Now you want to pull this middle finger as far as you can away from this heel and breathe. Deep breaths. And you want to reach and switch. Other hand and reach. Pull this middle finger way away. You feel that? Really breathe. Bring this elbow all the way in and press those hips. Deep breaths. And one more time, all the way to the other side. Press your hips a little deeper this time. Lift your chest up. Now this time, you want to look up at the ceiling. Breathe all the way through that tightest area. That feels good, doesn't it? Great job. And release and switch. All the way. Pull this middle finger. Deep breaths. And back to center. We want to stretch those quads out. Bring this hand all the way around and gently press this knee back. If this is easy for you, you can take your hands and you can interweave both of them and press that back. And switch sides. And inhale and exhale. Shake it all the way out. Put your feet all the way together. Hands on your waist in big circles. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, you got it. 2, and 1, switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring your hands into prayer. Take a deep inhale and exhale and inhale and exhale. That was a great cardio workout. We burned some calories. You can do this workout every other day. So let's eat right and get that cardio in. Have a great day.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.